Hello, Mom. I sent you a kiss. Here in Madrid, I live in a small apartment. It has only two bedrooms and three bathrooms. The walls are blue. The kitchen is simple but has what it takes. My room has a view of the city. It is very cozy. Every day, get up early for work. The office is in the center of the city, so I must travel on the subway. In the afternoon hours, when you return home, visit an RV park to walk a little. Madrid is a wonderful city, large shopping centers and several museums. What I love about Madrid are its squares and monuments as well as its old buildings. I hope you visit me soon.